Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking news. As we know that IBM announced the mass hiring opportunity for 25 batch and 26 on-campus hiring is announced. So the AAC mass hiring comes under the CIC opportunity, and finally we got the coding test. Mention in the comment section you received the coding test or not, and you have to do only one thing: like and share the video. It will hardly take 1 to 2 seconds. The like target is 500 plus. IBM coding test pattern we will discuss in today's video. What is IBM person ID? IBM AEC salary is 4.5 LPA. No need to worry about that. If you not applied previously, IBM hiring will active definitely again. And Tech Mahindra AEC mass hiring is started or not, you can check out this video. So first of all, I will show you the video. This is the IBM AAC hiring that I shared with all of you on 25th August. BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA is eligible. Okay, and you can understand, like you can see that what is the basically job ID for this, because it is a system engineer opportunity. So here they clearly mention this is the job ID. Okay. Now we received this type of mail: IBM CIC off-campus coding for associate system engineer. It is officially from IBM.com. It is a official. Dear Bagora Lokesh, greetings from IBM India. We are pleased to invite you to IBM CIC off-campus recruitment process. All stage are elimination round. They clearly mention. Coding assessment will be there. The coding assessment is of tomorrow. You will receive mail from support@hackerrank4work.com, which will have test link and the instruction of test. We request you to read carefully through the system requirement and step by step process. Okay, so one thing that I have to mention, they clearly mention here: to log on into test would only for the 10 minute. Ensure to input the correct IBM person record ID. What is IBM person record ID? So whenever you applied for the opportunity, so after applying you received this type of mail: you have successfully submitted your job application for 55449 for associate system engineer. Dear Lokesh, thank you for applying to the role with the person ID. This is the person ID from IBM, and you will receive, you have to check your person ID in this mail itself. Okay, so this is the person record ID in the assessment process for us to take your candidature ahead. This is protocol test. Please ensure your webcam is working and turn on the camera before assessment. There is a AI protocoling feature, so don't use any of the cheating or any of the thing. They clearly mention here. What they clearly mention here, they clearly mention here, like if you shift the tab, if you basically shift tab or browser in between test, copy paste, move outside the webcam, taking assistant support, running using screen sharing app during the test, like this. Okay, so one thing that I have to mention again, they clearly mention: candidate who clear the coding assessment will be receiving communication on further process if you meeting the eligibility criteria. First round of coding assessment will be virtual. Details regarding further round, including date and location, will be shared later. We would love to meet you from here on. Please check your inbox for the invitation detail, which will be shared soon. Kindly read the eligibility criteria. Candidate involved in any kind of malpractice, please note that the IBM will not provide any travel and accommodation. A project deployment location joining can be anywhere across Pan India. Okay. So what they are mentioning, I will explain you each and every process. Firstly, we are discussing about the mail. So course completion here is 25 batch. BE BTech in computer science information, 60 CGPA 6%. No active backlog. Fluent interpersonal skill, written and speaking. Compensation is 4.50 lakh per annum plus one time settling allowance of 25,000. IBM discretion is final. Thanks and regards, University Talent Acquisition. सो अब हम बात करते हैं IBM के बारे में. दैट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. ओके, one thing that I have to mention, I already shared with all of you that what is the IBM person record ID and the rest thing. So tomorrow your coding examination will be there. Okay, so first of all your coding exam will be there. Then next is related to IBM English examination, or we can say that communication examination. So in the coding examination, previously, if we talk about the previous, so total 45 minutes of time are there, and only one coding question they ask. Okay, one coding question they ask, 45 minutes of time, one coding question they ask. How to prepare for IBM coding exam? No need to buy any of the course or any of the master class. Hacker Rank, okay, and Hacker Earth, where you can solve the problem solving section. You can easily crack the IBM coding examination. The coding consists of a medium level of problem, not so much hard. So the thing is, जितने आप टेस्ट केसेस पास करेंगे उतना शॉर्ट लिस्टेड के चांसेस ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे. One question with 7 out of 8 test cases passed. Okay, out of 8, like 7 out of 8, and put of 8 test cases I passed 5. So candidate also shortlisted for the IBM English assessment. So coding examination के लिए you can go to YouTube where you will find multiple videos of IBM coding. Or if you want video, let me know in the comment section. We will try to make the video. IBM coding examination. So one coding question, 45 minutes of time. You can prepare from any of the platform, hackerrank, hackerearth, LeetCode, anything. Then the IBM English spoken language assessment will be there. This is a CIC, comes under the CIC. If they follow the previous pattern, so after that the English section will be there, in which story based question based on conversation, reading, repeating, fill the missing word, correction and speaking. Okay, one thing that I have to mention, they clearly mention that in the mail that there is a physical test as well, and they will not accommodate. So as the previous pattern, again they will take your coding assessment. So online plus offline examinations are also there. First in online, 2 examination will be completed according to previous trend, coding assessment in English. Then again in the offline they conduct the coding examination, English again, and interviews again according to the previous year trend. But if they not conduct the coding and English assessment in the offline, totally depends on them. We have to just wait for the next mail, because they clearly mention they will kindly read the eligibility criteria, the event which will be planned, okay, and shall conclude with the final interview. They will share invitation details with all of you soon. So this is the complete update of IBM. No need to worry about that. You can easily crack the coding assessment. Okay, I already created video for all of you that is related to IBM CIC coding examination. What is the exam pattern? Everything I created in this video. So definitely it will very helpful for all of you. And for coding, just practice the coding question on any of the platform. LeetCode, okay, hackerrank और hackerarth, जो भी आपको कोडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म लगता है, एंड सॉल्व द PYQ that is already available on the YouTube. I hope you find this video well. Let's crack the IBM. Thanks for watching the video.